5 money-making games of 2020. Get paid up to $300. Let's start. Bingo for Money. This amazing games give away extra cash and jackpots on playing bingo games. There are approximately 300 games available, so you can choose as per your preference. The best thing is you get $25 when you sign up. Wealth words. Love playing brain games like trivia, Scrabble or word games? If so, you will fall in love with this money-making game, as it pays you real rewards if you are smart enough. This online crossword game is undoubtedly the best play and earns real money game on the internet today. Lucky Cube. All you need to do is start clicking Piggy Bank. It's that simple. The main concept for earning is depend on by playing games called Break the Cubes and Earn. Early Bird. Give feedback on newly launched apps, websites and earn money. Get at least $10 per test. You get paid after a week and the two via PayPal. If you want to earn money via Early Bird, you should have a good command over English language and be at least above 18. The site gives you 5 opportunities every month to earn money. Lucky Time. Lucky Time offers free scratches games and slots and lotto games where you can win every day. There are multiple ways to win real rewards. Features on Lucky Time app include play unlimited scratch card every day, spin Lucky Wheel every day for fun and gifts. Play 3 times Lotto raffle every day, win coins or tokens for each task. Invite friend to get more game tokens rapidly, kill boring time. Play each mini games whenever you want. Enjoy playing daily. V bonus scratch cards daily at every day. V daily claim to earn coins and other rewards every day. V enter daily lottery and reveal the results. V play Lucky Time for 10 minutes a day to test your luck. Playing is always so much fun. All those gamers and wannabe gamers out there can take advantage of playing the games and earn money. This doesn't mean you will quit your job or dedicate plenty of hours playing games. Even if you are waiting and sitting for your appointment trying to pass the time, you can play games and earn money to fatten your wallet. This post doesn't guarantee $1,000 every week, but different sites have a different prize pool. Because there is an earning potential in the venture, it is worth your time.